केपेचो आमदार एल्टन डिकोस्टान मुंबईतल्या गोंयकारांच्या कुडींचो प्रस्न विधानसभेत मांडिल्लो। ताका जाप दितना मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगले तारवट्यांक निवेदन दिवनी आपूण ह्या लढ्यात तांकां कायदेशीर मजत करता खंय। पळयात।
Fear and anxiety in the minds of seafarers community from Goa, whose village clubs could in Mumbai such as Dobitala, Chirabazar, Princely Estates and Mazagon are verge of collapse. Builders are attempting to take over these residential clubs. What action will the government undertake to preserve and safeguard these heritage homes which are illegally encroached by builders? Speaker sir, the same zero hour kind last year kaadle. No, Speaker sir, मासे दो एक minute घेता. Speaker sir, Chief Minister का assurance मागता because there are clubs now. Lately, 3 days पयली they are fighting for the last 10 years. इंगा देवसुआ आमगेल्या चिंचिनी इंगा एक club जांग तेंगेले take over केला builder and whatever legal aspect they are doing. But please form के एक वर्ष कांयच जाल ना तुमी म्हाका assurance दिले last year.
तांच्यानी पर्सनली आमकां रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिवचें तांकां जी कितें मदत करपाक जाय गोंय सरकारा कडल्यान पळय ती लिगली आमी मदत करपाक तयार आहात। तांच्यानी रिप्रेजेंटेशन येवनी आय लूक इनटू
श्री विरेश बोरकर।
मुंबईत आशिल्ल्यो 100 वर्सां पोरण्यो गोंयकारांच्यो कुडी आनी क्लबांची अवतिकाय जाल्या। गोंयकारांच्यो कुडी आशिल्ल्या बिल्डिंगांचेर आतां कांय बिल्डरांची नदरूय आसा। कांय बिल्डरांनी जाल्यार ह्या इमारतींचेर बेकायदेशीर पद्दतीन कब्जोय केला। ह्यो कुडी साल्वार करपाक गोंयचे तारवटी कायदेशीर लढाय लढटात ह्या विशयाचेर गोमंतक टीव्हीन उजवाड घातिल्लो।
My name is Bernard Rivelo. I am secretary to the Club of Randedkaris, which is based in Mumbai, Mazgon 10. We bought the club building and the property along with Saint Anthony Club, Joshua, in 1970. We are the owners of the club and the building and not the tenants. Both the clubs are more than 100 years old and are registered with the Charity Commissioner, Mumbai. This said property is fraudulently sold through forged power of attorney to someone called Sri Krishna Enterprises, whose owners are known as Firoz Alam Khan and Anand Babu Donushke. We are engaged in legal process to get our property back and restore our names in BMC records.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.